This is Paper Kitty. Welcome to my channel. If you are coming back, well, I am so excited that you have done so. And if you're a faithful follower, well, I just want to thank you so much because it means the world to me. So here I am going to be playing with my junk journal again and creating some ephemera, altering some ephemera. Like in this case, you see that I've gotten this cutout star that I've kind of had for a while. And the other side was a pink, but it was a really bright pink. And so I thought that I would want to make it a more pale pink. And so I had this really beautiful acrylic pale pink acrylic paint. So as you can tell, I've painted that, and then I have that really cool glitter that is iridescent, and so I really enjoyed working with that. Now you see me painting the back of that star, even though I'm not going to use the back. I just had leftover paint on my brush, and it was a way to help flatten out, because as you can tell, when you paint the one side and not the other, it kind of curls up on you. So now I'm just kind of fine-tuning the glitter on that star, and so I'm adding some art glitter glue and just kind of spreading out that glue before I kind of put some more glitter. I think it came out really cute. I really love it. Like I said, that glitter was a little different than I'm used to, but I actually really like it. It's really nice, very thin. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get some more of that acrylic paint, and in this case I'm gonna go ahead. I was trying to just maybe leave that white tip, but it really wasn't working out for me, so I went ahead and just decided to go ahead and go all the way with the whole thing, that bit, because with this journal I wanted everything to be pink basically, and gold, and those tones that go with it, different whites and creams. So the funny thing is that I don't think I end up using this particular element, or at least not in this video, but anyway, it's just an idea. Hopefully somebody would like to have, because sometimes we have the cutest little elements, and of course it's not always going to work out, but it just so happens that there was still some glitter on top of my little mat there, and so I thought, let me pick it up while this is still a little bit wet. And so I thought it was a good idea, instead of wasting that glitter, using it here, and I absolutely love the way it turned out. So maybe, like I said, that'll give you an idea. So yeah, I'm kind of now going to continue to play here a little bit, and I'm kind of going through the journal to see what I want to do with it. I think I've already shown this to you, and but I love the fact that that center of that signature has that those doors that open up like that, and then the little Santa Claus and the tree. And so I thought that was really sweet, and wanted to show that again in case I didn't show it. But so now here, this piece of material that had lace, I went ahead and I adhered it to this page, and then I had to sew it on a separate piece of paper first. So I used another tea dyed paper, and was able to then adhere it to the tea dyed paper that was part of the signature. So that's how I did that. So here we have this really cute spread. I love these little die cuts. This little die that I purchased on Amazon is lovely. I actually did cut out some more in gold, and I used another one in gold towards the end. I don't know if it's on this video, maybe it's the next video, but anyway, I love the way it looks with the glitter scrapbook paper. And so like I said, I did some gold, and I believe I have still, I don't know when this video comes out if it'll still be available, but I did cut some more out and put them like in a little quick pack, like a set of 3. You know, if anybody wants to purchase it on my Etsy. I know for me, if I would have, you know, maybe just been able to purchase a few of these, it would have been cheaper than buying the whole die. And so, but yeah, I mean, it's fine. I mean, I'm glad I purchased the die, but like I said, I feel like since I only used, you know, 4 of these elements, you know, I mean, that's really all I needed basically. But you know, I probably will use more in the future. But for this spread, I just needed the 3 elements. So with that being said, we are nearing the end of this episode. I want to thank you for coming along with me and crafting with me. This was so much fun to put together, and I hope it has inspired you and possibly given you some good information or tips that perhaps you didn't know about, or maybe that you did know about and you just had forgotten. So be sure and let me know. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Be sure and subscribe if you would like to. I do invite you to the Paper Kitty family. Be sure that if you want to continue to follow this series, that you press the notification bell and also the setting that says all, and that way you will know when I have made a new video for you. So again, thank you so much. Love you so much. Love you so much. See you in the next one.